Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we've got a bright pink cocktail for Valentine's Day, the Pink Elephant. It was created by Brian Miller in 2009 at Death & Co. and combines an array of ingredients, starting with Luxardo Maraschino liqueur, Creme de Mure, which is a blackberry liqueur. They asked for Massenez, but Giffard will have to do. Tanqueray London Dry Gin, my personal go-to, fresh grapefruit juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. I always opt for rich simple syrup and adjust the amount, but you do you. Once you've got your fresh juice, gather the rest of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, bar spoon, and measure 1 bar spoon, the equivalent of a teaspoon, of your simple syrup. I've got rich, so I'll do just shy of a teaspoon. 1 bar spoon creme de mure. One bar spoon Luxardo Maraschino liqueur. Then get your go-to jigger and measure a ½ ounce of lime juice, two ounces of your London Dry Gin, and lastly 3/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice. Fill with ice and shake for 12 seconds before double straining it into your coupe. And Brian has said to skip the garnish. So there you have the Pink Elephant. Now let's give it a taste. The maraschino liqueur and creme de mure work really well together for a dry, cherry, blackberry flavor, followed by the sharpness of gin, lime juice, and grapefruit for something juicy yet dry. The teaspoon measurements are a bit tedious, but I think this is one you'll enjoy. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite grapefruit cocktail? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.